You hear that? Let's make a pernil. To a small bowl, add a bunch of garlic cloves, about a bulb, some adobo, and I tried to muddle it with my muddler. That was not working, so I got out the heavy machinery and I used an immersion blender, which worked well. Just make sure you get all the garlic out. I used both of these because I didn't have anything that was homemade. It works well when you're in a pinch. Measure with your heart. Season with salt, pepper, oregano, cumin, a packet of sesame, lime juice, and olive oil. Mix it well, and we have our marinade. Clean your pork shoulder, set it out, and peel back the skin, like this. Poke holes all over. You want to make sure that marinade gets into every part of the pork, and don't forget about the underneath. Spoon your marinade all over the pork and make sure you get it everywhere. Even put some of those garlic cloves into the holes. Make sure you get the sides, the bottom, and under the skin. Pat the skin dry because you do not want the marinade on the top of the skin. Season it with salt and a packet of sesame. That's it. That's going to flavor your skin and make it crispy. Cover it with foil and refrigerate overnight. Take out of the fridge and remove the foil. Then I patted it dry one more time because again, that's key to getting a crispy skin. As you can see, my pan was way too small, so I had to transfer it to a bigger pan, covered it with foil, and baked in a 350-degree oven for 5 hours. I removed it from the oven. As you can see, things got hot and steamy. I only basted the meat, not the skin, and then I put it back in the oven for 400 degrees until it got crispy. Just watch it, but about like 25 to 30 minutes. Pull out the bones, which come out super clean, shred your meat, and present it in a nice dish with lime wedges. This is my full plate. Eat and enjoy!